Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create a circular part, 65-32 diameters, height is 55 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extruded boss, select top plane, select circle, give the dimensions 65, 32. Finish sketch, extrude up to 55 mm. Select top plane, sketch, you can see here 17.5 radius, 35 diameter, and center to center distance 120, inner diameter is 15 mm. Select circle, give the dimensions 35, 15. $120. Select midpoint and origin point, give vertical constraint. Select line, select line and circle, give tangent, this side also same. Select trim entities, finish sketch, thickness is okay. Go to edit sketch, okay, still select this circle, convert entities, trim entities, finish sketch, select extrude, thickness is I think 12 mm, give 12 mm, apply. Select top surface, sketch, you can see this side there is one rectangular block with radius 30 mm width and height is center distance is 70 mm. So here you can see 28 mm. Select line, give the dimensions, this is 28. and here to here 14. Center distance is 70 mm. Select this surface, convert entities, select trim entities, finish sketch, select extrude up to 30 mm, select fillet 15, select two edges, select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension from the top 15, middle of the block, select this and this, give vertical constraint. Diameter is 12 mm. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select up to next, okay. Select right plane, sketch. In the drawing there is one rib that is thickness 12 mm, from the center distance is 100 mm. Select line, give the dimension from here to here 100, finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 12 mm, direction is okay, so you can compare both, friends. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment, please. Assign the material, so you can here edit appearances, apply, save the part. So that's it, friends. Thanks for watching this video, and also I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me.